Okay, this is LA Casciano, hashtag The Adventures Wait. My apologies from video in from my bedroom, but I ordered one of these things that I seen on Amazon for a while. So my son ordered it, and it is a kayak roller that you can roll onto the roof of your car to make it easier to get your kayak or paddleboard up there. So I already took it out of the delivery package. And here's what it came with. Suction cups. More suction cups. Allen key. One sidebar. The other sidebar. And instructions on how to put it together. So I'm gonna get it together and see how it goes. And you can see where somebody's sliding it up the back of their car onto J-hooks. I have J-hooks on the back of my car, so we'll see. So like I said, let me get it together, and either later on today or within the next couple of days, I'll do a video of once I have it together and I'm trying to put it on the top of my car. Later.